and welcome back to my channel, Love to Sparkle. Today I'm going to be coming at you guys with the little haul that I ended up doing once again. So without further ado, and if you're interested in luxury goods and items of that sort, then keep on watching. Okay, I'm going to start off with this little bag that I have right here. I ended up once again stopping by the mall, and I thought I would stop by because I have been wanting a pair of sunnies. Yet for some reason, I don't know why I have not just gotten them, honestly. I've been debating on which brand to get, and I ended up going with a classic brand, which is these Ray-Bans right here. Now, which Ray-Bans that I ended up picking? These are the black Aviators that I ended up getting, and these are made in Italy, you guys. But check that out. Watch out, look at that. Aren't these amazing? Like, I swear, like, why did I take so long to get these? Aren't these beautiful? Like, these are like perfect sunnies, right? Look at that, so cute. Bam. I don't know, like, seriously, these are just like dope. Okay. So yeah, those are the sunnies that I ended up getting. And then I swear this video will be short. And I had to, you guys. I couldn't resist. I don't know what it is. So this is the beautiful orange bag. There is the receipt. And then here is the lovely orange box. And this is a pull out. There it is. Dun 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 dun. Ah. I ended up going and getting the 6-ring holder, and this is in the rose ballerine. Isn't it beautiful? I already have the 6-ring monogram holder, but the classic with the gold stud right here. And I ended up, like, I swear, the pink just kind of like caught my eye, and I said I have to have this piece. So, oh, not to mention the smell. Oh my goodness. I swear, they should like make an air freshener for the cars that smells like this. I would so totally buy it. But this is so cute, you guys. Once again, this is the Louis Vuitton 6-key monogram holder in the pink ballerine, or rose ballerine, excuse me. So that is what I ended up getting from Louis Vuitton. I did end up going in and making another run at one of the other stores that I tend to go, and that is of course Nordstrom's. And here I am so bad, I swear. Hello, my name is Cece, and I am a shoeaholic, purseaholic, and luxury goods-aholic, and all over the place, right? So anyways, bam. Ah! No, hold on, let me do that again. Boom. Gucci box, you guys. Like, I had to. So I was, you know, I was looking for something. Actually, I was looking for high heels, to be honest, and I ended up walking away with this. So to my surprise, or to my husband's surprise, I did end up saving just a little bit of money. Okay, so what is it that I ended up purchasing? We shall find out. Why am I always dropping things? There's two just, let me put that down. There's 2 drawstring bags. There's a plastic bag, and here. Any guesses? Drum roll, please. I am so bad, you guys, I swear. Oh my god, hold on, let me put that down. I told you guys, whenever I open presents, I go wild. Don't spend your money on the wrapping paper, because not for me, at least. These are the slides that I ended up purchasing from Nordstrom's. These are the Gucci slides with the beautiful floral print on one side, and then it has a gorgeous, lovely butterfly on the other side. These are super lightweight, you guys, and so comfortable. I tried them on in the stores, and I was just like, I have to go home with these. I have to take these babies home. Then on the side here, it also reads Gucci. These are super lightweight. Look at the detail. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Look at that. See, this is the other side. This is gorgeous. Perfect for summer. But yeah, you guys, that will wrap up my video. I will be linking everything in the description box below. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that little bell at the bottom so that you guys are alerted when I upload a new video. Once again, please excuse the noise in the background. That is Charlie. I know, I promise to get him a new collar. So yes, until next time, you guys, bring your sparkle on. No, I'm still thinking about that. Help. Bye, you guys.